Why do 40% of people in Lahore struggle with anxiety? Let's talk about it. Anxiety can feel like a never-ending battle, but there's hope. Dr. Abdul Halim, one of Lahore's top psychiatrists, is here to help. Specialized in treating anxiety disorders, Dr. Halim combines compassionate care with practical strategies to ease your mind. Symptoms like constant worry, racing thoughts, and sleepless nights don't have to control your life. Dr. Halim will work with you to create a personalized treatment plan tailored to your unique needs. From therapy to medication, he'll guide you every step of the way. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Take that first step towards a calmer, happier you. Call 0302 278 8999 to schedule your appointment with Dr. Abdul Halim today.